Hello, grade 3, and good morning. This is Miss Susan. Today's topic is about identify polygons. Lesson 12.3. And our essential question is:
how can you use line segments and angles to make polygons?
So, polygons are types of shapes that consist of line segments and angles, of course. And if you remember with me, what are line segments? Line segments are the parts of line with specific ending point and starting point. And what are angles? Angles is the part of circle that located or formed between two rays or two line segments. And we have three types of angles. The first type is the right angle. The second type is the angles which is less than the right angle. And the third type, the open mouthed angles, which is bigger than the right angle. So let's start and see what are polygons.
Let's use math words to describe polygons.
So we said polygons are types of shapes. So let's read the definition.
A polygon is a closed plane shape made up of line segments that meet only at their endpoints. Each line segment in a polygon is a side. Which words describe these shapes? Let's unlock the problem.
So first, polygon should be closed plane shape. So it should be closed. It should be plane shape. Plane shape can be drawn on a flat surface like paper or like board. That is made up by line segments, consists of line segments only, not curved passes. Okay, and also the line segment should meet at their ending point, so no rays, no curved pass, and no lines. Each line segment is in a polygon, we call it a side. So each line segment, we call it a side. This is a side, and this is a side, and this is a side. So let's review it again. It should be closed. It should be a plane shape. It should consist of line segments, and each line segment, we call it a side. So let's move forward and unlock this problem.
Is shape A a plane shape?
Yes, because we can draw it on a flat surface.
Shape A is a plane shape because it's a shape on a flat surface formed by points that make line segments. Is shape A an open shape?
Yeah, it's open because its starting point is not the same as its its ending point. So it's open, like you can see here.
Shape A is an open shape because it doesn't start and end at the same point. Is shape A a closed shape?
Of course not, because it's open already.
Shape A is open, so it's not a closed shape. Does shape A have any curved paths?
No, it's all consists of line segments, no curved paths here.
All parts of shape A are line segments, so it does not have any curved paths. Does shape A have any line segments?
It had three already.
Shape A is made of three line segments. Is shape A a polygon?
Let's see. Is it closed? No, it's open. Is it a plane shape? Yes, but it's open already still. So it's not a polygon.
Shape A is not a polygon because it's not a closed shape. Here's another shape. Is shape B a plane shape?
Yes.
Is it an open shape?
No.
Is it a closed shape?
Yes.
Does it have curved paths?
No.
Does it have line segments?
Yes.
Is it a polygon?
Of course. Because it is plane shape, closed shape, has line segments, and of course it's a polygon.
Shape B is a plane shape. It is not an open shape. It is a closed shape. It does not have curved paths. It is made up of four line segments. It is a polygon. Let's look at another shape. Is shape C a plane shape? Is it an
Yes.
open shape?
No.
Is it a closed shape?
Yes.
Does it have curved paths?
Yes.
Does it have line segments?
No.
Is it a polygon?
No, because it hasn't line segments and it has instead curved path. So it's not a polygon.
Shape C is a plane shape. It is not an open shape. It is a closed shape. It has a curved path. It has no line segments. It is not a polygon. Let's look at one more shape. Is shape D a plane shape?
Yes.
Is it an open shape?
No.
Is it a closed shape?
Yes.
Does it have curved paths?
Yes.
Does it have line segments?
Yes.
Is it a polygon?
No, because it has curved path. So if it has curved path, this means it's not a polygon.
Shape D is a plane shape. It is not an open shape. It is a closed shape. It does have a curved path. It does have a line segment. It is not a polygon. You can use what you have learned to classify polygons. Are polygons sometimes, always, or never plane shapes?
Polygons should be always plane shapes.
All polygons are plane shapes, so polygons are always plane shapes. Are polygons sometimes, always, or never closed shapes?
They must be closed shapes, not just should.
All polygons are closed shapes, so polygons are always closed shapes. Are plane shapes sometimes, always, or never polygons?
No, sometimes plane shapes are not polygons, like this shape and this shape and this shape. They are all plane shape, but they are not polygons. So plane shapes, sometimes polygons.
Shapes A, C, and D are plane shapes, but they are not polygons. Shape B is also a plane shape, and it is a polygon. So plane shapes are sometimes polygons. Are closed shapes sometimes, always, or never polygons?
Okay, shape C and shape D are closed, but they are not polygons. This means that sometimes closed shapes are not polygons.
Shape B is a closed shape, and it is a polygon. Shapes C and D are also closed shapes, but they are not polygons. So closed shapes are sometimes polygons. Now let's use math words to name polygons. Some traffic signs are in the shape of polygons. A deer crossing sign is in the shape of which polygon? Let's unlock the problem.
Okay, here we name the type of polygon according to the number of its sides. And the polygon sides are all line segments. So we count the line segments and then we figure out, or we can classify it according to its number of sides. And for your knowledge, the number of sides of any polygon is the same as the number of its angles. So if I have 4 sides, this means I have 4 angles. If I have 3 sides, this means I have 3 angles. If I have 5 sides, I will have 5 angles, and so on. So let's unlock this problem and see more.
You can name polygons by looking at the number of sides and angles they have. Polygons with 3 sides and 3 angles are called triangles. Polygons with 4 sides and 4 angles are called quadrilaterals. Polygons with 5 sides and 5 angles are called pentagons. Polygons with 6 sides and 6 angles are called hexagons. Polygons with 8 sides and 8 angles are called octagons. And polygons with 10 sides and 10 angles are called decagons. Now let's use this information to find out what type of polygon the deer crossing sign is. How many sides does the sign have?
Okay, so again, if I have 3 angles and 3 sides, this means it's called triangle. And most of these names comes from the Latin words or the Latin languages. So the Tri here means 3. It means the shape has 3 angles. So if I have 3 sides, 3 angles, this is called triangle. If I have 4 and 4, this means quadrilateral. Quad means 4 and lateral means sides. So here comes the word quadrilateral, means 4-sided shape. If I have 5 sides with 5 angles, this is called pentagon. Pentagon, and this is also a Latin word. If I have 6 and 6, this will call hexagon. If I have 7 and 7, this is called heptagon. If I have 8 and 8, this will call octagon, and so on. If I have 9 and 9, this will be called nonagon, and finally 10 and 10, this is called decagon. Okay, so for this shape, I have how many sides? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So it's 4
The sign
sides.
has 4 sides. How many angles does the deer crossing sign have?
The same number of sides, it's 4. Let's count and be sure. 1 angle here, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles formed between line segments.
The sign has 4 angles. The number of sides a polygon has is always the same as the number of angles.
As I said.
The sign is in the shape of which type of polygon?
Is it a triangle, like 3 and 3, or quadrilateral, mean quad mean 4, lateral means sides. So it is a quadrilateral shape.
A polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles is a quadrilateral. So the sign is in the shape of a quadrilateral. Select all the words that describe the shape. Then click check.
Okay, is the shape a plain shape, mean you can draw it on a flat paper or flat surface? Yes, it's a plain shape. Is it an open shape? No. Is it a closed shape? Yes, it's closed. Is it has curved path? Yes, it has curved path. It has any line segments? Yes, it has 1. Is it a quadrilateral? No, because I have here 3 sides, 3 line segments, and 1 curved path. So it's not a polygon. So let's check.
That's right. The shape is a plane shape, and it is a closed shape. The shape has both curved paths and line segments, which best explains why the shape is not a polygon.
Why it's not a polygon again? Because it has a curved path. So include a curved path.
That's right. The shape is not a polygon because it includes a curved path. Find the number of sides and the number of angles. Then name the polygon. How many sides and angles does the polygon have?
Count
Use the
with me.
keypad to type the answer. Then click check.
Count with me here. 1, starting from here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has 6 sides. And of course the polygon has how many angles? The same number of sides is the same as angles, 6. So let's check.
That's right. The polygon has 6 sides and 6 angles. What is the name of the polygon?
Octagon has 8, pentagon has 5, quadrilateral has 4. So hexagon has 6, so it is hexagon.
That's right. The polygon is a hexagon.
Try to memorize the names of the shapes or the polygons.
Now try your homework on your own with the personal math trainer. It includes the exercise you saw at the beginning of the lesson.
Thank you, grade 3, for watching. Hope that you enjoyed the lesson. See you the next lesson. Bye-bye.
Thanks for helping me name the polygon. See you soon.